Hi guys, today I'm gonna share my first experience with Nagarro. So this is a gift I got from Nagarro. This is my first gift, so I want to share with you. So I just unboxing this package. So let's see what is in it. So I think it is a laptop because it is having if you see the shape, it is a quite a rectangle shape. So I think it's a laptop for me, and I got it last day. So I thought today is the best day to unbox it and show to you. So right now I am removing it. So guys, now you can see the package. So it is a Lenovo ThinkPad laptop. So I'm very excited to have this, and I'm ready to join. And it keeps very excited and very motivated for me. So this is a Lenovo seal. So let's open it. So guys, now I have cut down it and I have removed it. So now it will be open. So here charger, and it is a laptop here, as you see here. I will remove it. So guys, you may find now this the quality of packing the laptop. So here we get one laptop and the adapter. Let us switch on the laptop now. uh, so guys, now you can see the actual laptop which I got. That is from Nagarro Lenovo ThinkPad, as you see here. So here it is, the opening, as you see. So this is our first gift from Nagarro. So when it is very useful for us for doing some projects for Nagarro. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you guys.